closing quietly, lights were fading low, calendars were turning pages, but our hearts were not ready to let go. Just before the New Year's sunrise, you spread your wings and flew, leaving echoes of your kindness and everything you used to do. You were more than just a name we knew, more than time could ever say. You were love in human form, and now you've gone away. You were a friend when we were lonely, a mother strong and true, a teacher with endless patience, a leader who always knew how to lift us when we stumble, how to guide us through the night. Now the new year comes without you, but your legacy is our light. In the classroom and the community, your voice was calm and kind. You planted seeds of hope and strength in every heart and mind. You taught us more than lessons, more than words on any page. You showed us how to love each other across every time and age. You gave without expecting much, you stood when others fell, a living example of grace, a story we will always tell. You were a friend when we were lonely, a mother strong and true, a teacher with endless patience, a leader who always knew how to lift us when we stumble, how to guide us through the night. Now the new year comes without you, but your legacy is our light. As fireworks light the midnight sky, our tears quietly fall. We whisper prayers and memories and feel your presence through it all. Though heaven gained an angel, our hearts learn how to ache. We promise to live the lessons for your beautiful life's sake. You were love in every season, in every role you played, a blessing to this whole community, a difference you truly made. Though you left us at the year's end, your spirit starts anew. We'll carry you into every tomorrow and every new